Hello and welcome. Today we'll be talking about achieving personalized care for your migraine, which is focused on your needs and goals. My name is Alessandra, and I've been living with migraine since I was 4, and I am the president of Alleanza Cefalagici, a patient organization based in Italy. I am joined by representatives from other patient organizations who worked on this project.
I am Joe Koh from the Global Healthy Living Foundation. Delighted to be here. I also live with migraine and I'm based out of New York.
Hi, everybody. I'm Wendy Gerhardt, and I'm the Executive Director of Migraine Canada, based in Ontario, Canada.
Elena Ruiz de la Torre, who is the Executive Director at the European Migraine and Headache Alliance, was also involved in this project. This project involved various experts with different perspectives on migraine and its management, like neurologists, specialist headache nurse practitioners, a licensed psychologist and migraine researcher, and us, representative from patient organizations around the world, with some of us also living with migraine.
At first, we came together and discussed some key questions. What is needed to make migraine management more focused on the needs and goals of each person living with migraine? How can communication between people with migraine and healthcare professionals be improved for better outcomes? Once we broke down those questions, we went through a collaborative multi-step process to reach consensus. We identified key insights to help healthcare professionals and people with migraine work together better. We shared these insights with healthcare professionals during 2 scientific congresses. Now we're delighted to share these insights with you. Patient-centric care focuses on the preference and needs of people living with migraine when making treatment decisions. This means understanding that each person with migraine has their unique lived experience and perspective, as well as personal treatment goals and aspirations. Remember that you are the true expert on your migraine and how it affects your life, and that you have the right and ability to be an active participant in your migraine care. So, what is patient centricity and why does it matter? Fundamentally, it means shifting the paradigm to put you as the patient in the focal point of care. Person centricity, or as some say, patient centricity, focuses on talking with the person rather than to or about the person, and then taking actions that work for the individual person. A person-centric approach relies on mutual understanding of needs, preferences, and goals between you and your healthcare professional through effective and thoughtful communication. That's fundamental to person-centric approach. In this project, we highlighted 3 key areas of focus for person-centric communications in migraine. The first was promoting greater awareness and understanding of migraine in clinical practice. That means at the healthcare provider's office. We saw that for migraine, there needs to be better recognized as a highly complex neurological disease and that each person may experience their migraine differently. Second, putting patient centricity into practice by improving communication between people living with migraine and healthcare professionals to build collaborative partnerships. That means shared decision-making and not a top-down approach to treatment. Third, individualizing migraine management to help ensure treatment plans align with the needs and goals of the individual, allowing them to become active participants in their own care.
As Joe mentioned, migraine is a complex neurological and invisible disease. But what does this mean for us as people living with migraine? None of us experience migraine exactly in the same way. We have migraine that lasts for different lengths of time. Some of us experience migraine more frequently than others, and our symptoms are different. Adding to this complexity is that the features of migraine can change over time, and we are all people with our own lives, experiences, and unique medical histories. Overall, the complexity of migraine means there is no universal treatment solution. Telling your migraine story may offer the best opportunity for having your needs and goals heard and finding a treatment plan that works best for you. Communication is an exchange of information. Healthcare professionals may have medical and scientific knowledge about migraine, but people living with migraine know most about their disease and the impact it has on their life. There is no objective test for migraine. Information you can provide to your healthcare professionals is crucial to creating the mutual understanding we were talking about.
During a migraine attack, the focus is usually on just getting through it. Recording information about specific attacks can be challenging. However, keeping your own records can help you take back control of your migraine information. Being in control means that you can provide specific details during conversations with your healthcare professional, providing the most accurate oversight of your personal needs and goals. There are many tools that can help you more easily keep records. For example, in Canada, we have the Canadian Migraine Tracker app, which is free and downloadable. Keeping records is more important than how it is done. So there's many opportunities around the world with different assets available to you. Find the method that works best for you and keep with it. So what information is valuable to keep track of? The goal is to get insights into your unique migraine features. Information about how long the attacks lasted for, what symptoms you experienced, what medications you've taken, and what were you doing when they happened is really important. The information you track can help show if and how your migraine might be changing naturally or in response to treatment. All this information is valuable for your healthcare professional and can be used to help optimize your personal and migraine management plan.
Keeping track of migraine can be discouraging at times. It is important to also keep track of the good days and remember there is more to you than migraine. This information is valuable to your healthcare professional. It can help them better understand you as a person and also better understand your personal treatment goals and aspirations. Finally, when these good days become more frequent, it can help show that a treatment is working for you from your perspective. Taking control of your migraine information can help you become an active participant in your own care. You can use your notes to structure and plan your migraine management treatment to help you move towards achieving your goals. Your records can help you become the source of information when meeting new healthcare professionals. But your records can also help carry information forward between appointments with your usual healthcare professional, helping ensure that your experience of each appointment is progressive rather than repetitive. Overall, becoming an active participant in your own care provides an opportunity for you to input on your own treatment decision and ensure you are heard when describing your experience of treatment.
You are the person living with migraine, and what you want out of your treatment matters. To help you think about your treatment goals, think of my life, my migraine, my goals. Consider what aspect of your life does migraine most impact? What do you hope to be able to do more of in your life? Which symptom or symptoms of migraine do you most want to improve? What would help you take control of your migraine, and what would you hope an effective treatment will do for you? Knowing answers to these questions helps you to understand what you hope to achieve through your migraine management plan. Thinking about these things ahead of time can help you clearly communicate your personal goals with your healthcare provider. It's helpful to have this information written down to take with you to your appointments.
Healthcare professionals have a role in helping you become an active participant in your own care. And there are things you can expect and ask from your healthcare professional. You can expect to work together to set predefined milestones, breaking your treatment goals into smaller, achievable steps with frequent checkpoints and follow-up. Together, you can also establish timeframes for determining whether a treatment is working for you. Overall, the goal is to have a shared understanding of treatment journey ahead of time, so you can drive and monitor your own improvements. When you're in doubt, ask a question. Your healthcare professional may have the information you are looking for, and if they don't have all the information you are looking for, ask them to refer you to reliable resources for your own understanding. In summary, person-centric communication supports a migraine management approach that focuses on your individual needs, but communication is a two-way street. Healthcare professionals are medical experts, but you are your expert. Playing your role in practicing person-centric communication can help building a trusting, a productive relationship with your healthcare professional, so that you can develop an individualized migraine management plan that helps you achieve your goals. Thank you for listening. We hope you have found this webinar helpful. Keep an eye on our social media pages and websites for more information about ongoing and future projects.